Hello everybody! Let me show you my modified Harbor Freight tire changer. Because I use it for aluminum rims, I have glued a piece of rubber here, and I use a piece of rubber to protect the rim from scratches. I've changed the original bead breaker to this one with plastic inserts. This bar was supplied with the unit, but I use it only as a lever, aka lever. The changer is bolted to the floor. Here is the platform for a rim, and it is also padded with rubber. I use it only for one size rim, therefore this bolt is set firmly in one position. Aluminum sleeve. The rim is locked to the changer using this 2 inches to 1.5 inch reducer. Then this bracket, and the pipe with a bolt inside. When we should change tires? First and obvious, when it is damaged beyond repair. Second, when it is worn. Tires usually have a tread wear indicator. It is a raised portion of rubber across the tread. When it gets even with the tread, it is time to say goodbye. Third, when the rubber gets old. A tire that is more than 8 years old should not be on a car. But how can we tell the age of the tire? Simple. On one side of it, we have 4 digits that follow DOT and some numbers and symbols. The first 2 indicate the week of the year, and the last 2 the year of production. And for example, this one here was manufactured in the 21st week of 2012. This one, the 4th week of 2018. This, the 24th week of 2006. We put the wheel and remove the valve. Now we will break the bead. We set this bead breaker at the right angle to aim under the lip of the rim. And we push down. Turn the wheel over and push again. We set the wheel on the top of the changer. Reducer, bracket, and the pipe. Tire soap to ease disassembly. I will use this homemade bar to take this tire off the rim. The flat surface goes between the rim and the tire. I turn it 90 degrees. This shape will lock the bar on the rim and lift the tire up. But before we do this, we have to make sure that the opposite side of the tire will slide into the drop center. It is this section here. When this side slides over the lip, the other side has to drop into the drop center. As you can see, the tire is reinforced here with steel wires. The rubber will stretch, but steel will not, at least under normal conditions. Therefore, it will be impossible to put on and off the tire without this drop center. We do the same with the bottom part. I take off the tire and cut out the valve. We clean the rim and check for any damage or bends. Then, I take a new valve and lubricate it with a paste that will not only ease the installation, but also will seal the valve with the rim. Then I use a special tool to seat the valve. It is very important to verify that we put the right size of the tire on matching sized rim. In my case, it is 15-inch tire and 15-inch rim. This rim is 15 inches in diameter, 25 offset, and 6 inches wide. Those numbers here tell us that this tire is 195 mm wide. 65 is the ratio of the sidewall height to the width. The higher the number, the higher the sidewall. And the last two numbers is the size. As I mentioned, in my case, it is 15-inch. We also have to pay attention to how the tire should be mounted on the rim. Some tires have a side that has to face outside. Same here. Quite often winter tires are unidirectional. Never put a bigger size tire on a rim. It may cause serious injury when it will slip off the rim under pressure. I'm preparing the tire to be installed, applying the same paste as for the valve. It will ease the assembly and seal the tire to the rim when it dries. The first step is easy. You just push the tire on the rim by hand. To push on the other side, I will use the same bar, different end. Once again, to take the tire on this side over the lip, I have to put the other side into the drop center. The tire is on. I inflate the tire. It pops, setting on the rim. It is so loud that I always jump. I never inflate a tire loose on the floor. Always attached to the car or on the tire changer. I don't want the metal rim fly towards me if ever a defective tire will blow up.